Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's video I'm going to share with you over 3 Deriv strategy in simple terms with an entry point, as I want to help as many people as possible. And soon I'll be continuing with forex lesson because there is so much to be covered, and I believe some of my subscribers want to advance to forex to maximize profit. So for this strategy we are going to follow 3 market criteria. So the first one, at least one digit above 3 must show 12% and above, or 11.5% gaining power, and should have a green bar. Also the second gaining power digit should be above 3. So the second criteria is at least 4 digits above 3 must show 10% and above. So in some cases you can find maybe you have 3 digits with 10% and maybe the fourth one it's at 9.5 going onwards, so that's also good. The red bar is a key indicator of market movement. For this strategy to work, the red bar must stay above digit 3. So this confirms that the market favors higher digits, aligning with our strategy. So this is what you have to do. Monitor the cursor movement on Deriv. Wait for the cursor to hit 2 numbers below digit 3. So in some cases the cursor hitting 1 digit below 3 works too, as long as those digits are not gaining power or are constant. So ensure that the red bar remains above digit 3 while waiting for the cursor to align. Don't rush entering without meeting these conditions, because it increases your risk of loss. Patience ensures higher accuracy. So make sure the volatility that you are using on the trading platform, it's also the same on the bot. So after you have confirmed, all you have to do is to let the bot run for 5 to 6 trades only. Stop the bot after the specified runs and also reset. Or you can trade manually and ensure you have a fast internet speed. Another thing that you have to do is always test any strategy in a demo account to understand how it works, and also to build confidence before trading with your real money. Stick to a trading limit and avoid overtrading. So guys, if you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and comment below.